This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Launch number 1. Launch number 2. Launch number 3. Launch number 4. Alright, we're back home and you guys came here for the Google Sheet. So you see that the EQC did it in, well, according to spec it was 5.1 and it did it in 4.85. So that's faster than spec like we see in most cars. So compared to, for example, Fat e-tron, similar price car, German auto, electro auto, around 800k NOK, then the EQC is way faster. So, yeah, everything faster than 5 seconds in an SUV is considered fast. And also compared to ES8, which is also an even bigger SUV, but weight-wise, actually slightly lighter than EQC. Price-wise, also similar. Then the ES8 is even faster. According to spec, it has more horsepower, right? Really? Okay. So, yeah, there you go. For that one, acceleration. And then as for noise, you see here, there's the EQC again, 65 decibel average. I feel like it was a bit, well, it wasn't the most quiet one. But you see, compared to ES8, did it recently, you see that ES8 with 21-inch wheels is very close to the EQC. So I was expecting better result with the EQC, and you see, okay, 65 average. If you look here on top here, you see this one was done about 2 years ago with summer tires. I split the summer and winter tires here, and it was lower. But the way we can see this is that if we look at the ES8 here, okay, 66.2, right, on summer tires versus winter tires, 65. So it's around 0.5 decibel better with winter tires. So that means that the summer result here should be almost 66 decibel, but it was only 64 decibel. So what does this tell you? Well, from what I know, that same stretch I've been driving over and over again, it's getting more and more worn out now. As the asphalt gets more worn out, you will then have rougher asphalt and then more noise. So I kind of know this, that one day they will actually slap down new asphalt over there, but it means that it's getting noisier and noisier there over the years. And this was 2 years ago. So what is it, or it could be that the Scorpion, somehow they are more silent than the Nuke and Hakkapeliitta. I'm not sure for sure. But, so at least for now, okay, because for the summer result, you see that the EQC was the most quiet one overall. But for winter, it's beaten by the e-tron. And was it really 60 decibel? At 80 kilometers per hour? That is so low that I almost don't want to believe it. I don't know about you guys, but was it a weird measurement or something? So maybe it is about time for me to retest e-tron also, because e-tron is a very popular car in Norway. I don't know what you guys think. I should get the e-tron 55 maybe. I'm not sure if I can get e-tron 60. But okay, so now we tested the EQC, and I feel like it's a somewhat underrated car. It's fast, it's very quiet, comfortable, but I guess it's not that big. But it's also, the thing is that EQC sales have been steadily it's been steady, yeah, the sale. Many cars, EVs, they get a big spike once it comes out, and then the sale kind of plummets. But for the EQC, they've been selling cars. I think it's because Mercedes, they have a good reputation and the cars work great, and there hasn't been any big issues that I've heard of. For example, other brands, they might have other issues, but from what I heard, EQC, good stuff. Okay, kind of pricey, but you get what you pay for. So, okay, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.